Welcome to the StorageChain video demo series. Today, we're going to demonstrate real-world AI search, synthesis, and trust, running entirely in the customer's cloud. We call this Bring Your Own Cloud. Every enterprise wants AI-powered insights from their documents, but for legal, financial, and regulated teams, there's always been a problem. For security reasons, they really can't afford to move their data anywhere else. So for many organizations, AI has been a powerful but unavailable technology. Enter StorageChain's Bring Your Own Cloud. Most AI search platforms require documents to be copied into external systems. They tokenize your data, they send it through third-party APIs, and they charge per query. That creates two major problems. One, loss of control, and two, unpredictable cost. Bring Your Own Cloud flips that model. Your documents stay exactly where they are today inside of your own cloud. And we deploy the intelligence layer directly onto your environment. So today we're going to show you how this works. So StorageChain's Bring Your Own Cloud platform lets you, as you can see here, connect to a third-party cloud, a storage cloud like Google, Amazon S3. You can connect to StorageChain's cloud as well because we have a Web3 decentralized cloud, or Microsoft Azure and others. But in today's example, we're going to be showing you Amazon S3. So if you can see here, we've connected our Amazon S3 bucket or buckets to StorageChain. So StorageChain Bring Your Own Cloud reads this data in. So if you go to Amazon Web Services and you're taking a look at your S3, we're looking at an Amazon S3 bucket now. It mirrors the data, it ingests the data from that bucket. And when I say ingest, it runs all this data through our AI lens and creates a vector embedding of that data. So we can read vector data from our database that connects to documents which are securely squared away in a big third-party cloud. So, for example, if we want to take a look at a couple of searches, let's go on over to the search section. And our search section is pretty cool. You can search a vector search, which is basically a high-powered keyword search. So the vector will give you exact matches in the data. And the semantic search really is next level, where you're looking at meaning and connecting topics together. It's all natural language. So let's hop in here and take a couple of examples. And remember, with Bring Your Own Cloud, we never store your documents. We don't copy them, we don't export them, and we don't train on them. Search analysis and results all happen inside of your cloud using the same security and controls that you already trust. The only data that lives on our side is the vector embedding, which is just a bunch of extracted metadata which corresponds to numbers. Okay, so let's take a look at a quick AI search across the data that we're looking at in Amazon Web 3. So our system lets you filter on bucket and file and folder. So if we're going to take a look at this, the connection would be AWS. So in here you could have AWS, Google Drive, Microsoft Azure. And you can search through multiple buckets at the same time as well. But if we were going to take a look at, just this one bucket, we're going to show me the documents related to termination rights and early exit risk. So this is a business intelligence search. You can see it's a natural language, and we got a bunch of results here. So let's take a look here at the result that we're going to get. So executive summary of enterprise risk here, and this is an AWS document. And StorageChain actually has a relationship with AWS where our products are available on the AWS marketplace, and we're an AWS partner. So as you can see, this is connecting to the AWS S3 cloud, and it's returning high-level documents that match this query. So, and we could see that we have different file types. We've got PDFs. We've got this is a master services agreement that has early termination consequences. So we're really pulling some pretty important data out, and you can download these documents. So again, this is in your cloud. Let me just go through here again. And if we want to see how this works, you can sync your cloud. But in terms of creating a connection, you're just adding your secret access key and your access key to your database, which connects you to the data that you already have. So you don't ever have to take data out of StorageChain. So on the security side, even access to your cloud is protected by multiple layers of encryption. Credentials are encrypted instantly and locked with your organization's unique key and secured again by the AWS services, Vault services. Even our own team can't see or use your customer credentials. So let's hop back into our search feature. And this time we're going to take a look at something specific. Show me Excel documents that are related to sales, which is pretty interesting because we're asking for a specific document type, and we're going to ask for something specific in terms of the type of Excel document that it is. And let's take a look here. This again is a semantic search where we're going to be searching across not just matching a keyword, obviously here. We're going to be looking for intelligence to connect a few things. So, all right, so here we have a sales tracker, which is an XLS. Our system is smart enough. Look, this is a CSV. So is it an Excel file? Well, it's a CSV file. It is an Excel file, but it is a different type. So it's smart enough to be able to pick these up as well. So, and then we can go ahead and look inside the file. So as we can see here, we have our sales spreadsheet that we were looking for. So just in conclusion, in terms of bring your own cloud, customers can come in, they can connect to any third-party cloud, storage cloud, and once that's done, we sync the data from the cloud to our system where we can run all the documents that are sitting in the cloud through our vector embedding process. And we can run high-level, powerful AI semantic searches across the data. This is StorageChain's Bring Your Own Cloud, and we hope you can try to come and demo the product at your earliest convenience.